Fox 10 News at 5.
Well, school is just getting started and already COVID-19 cases are starting to add up. Hello, everyone. I'm Brian Webb.
And I'm Ellen McNamara. John and Christina had the night off tonight. And tonight, a COVID outbreak at a high school in Chandler. Fox 10 Steve Nielsen is live outside of Hamilton High School with details. Steve.
Well, yeah, we've heard from the district here that they might consider adding more restrictions at Hamilton High School tonight, but so far we haven't heard back on what that exactly might be or if it'll happen. But they're hardly the only school or school district that's dealing with COVID-19 right now. And we talked with parents tonight who are concerned about their kindergartners at home with COVID-19. One day after receiving this letter that her daughter was exposed to COVID-19 in Silver Valley Elementary School, Jenna Stoltz says her daughter now has a fever.
It's really the right thing to do is to keep her home and get her tested, and then, of course, notify the school or any contacts if she tests positive.
Even though a provision in the state budget banned mask mandates at schools, some districts have required them. Jana's disappointed Queen Creek Unified District hasn't mandated them. The district didn't comment today.
Irene is doing a lot better than she was last night, so that's very encouraging, which is great. She was having a pretty high fever, like 103 or something like that, and it has come down.
Heidi Kim's 5-year-old tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday, and her 8-year-old is sick too. They're students at EduPrise in Queen Creek. They had no comment.
It is really heartbreaking to watch, and I felt when I dropped her off at kindergarten, very conflicted. I felt like I was dropping her off in a petri dish after trying so hard to keep her safe for the last year and a half.
Queen Creek and EduPrise don't post active COVID cases online, but other districts do. Chandler Unified said Hamilton High School has an ongoing outbreak, 34 active cases there as of Tuesday morning. Higley Unified says they have 26 cases among all their schools. Anyone over 12 in high school can be vaccinated, but in elementary school, it's not an option for those kids.
It hasn't even been a full 2 weeks since her first day, and there are many schools that are just starting now. So yes, of course, it's going to get worse.
And Chandler Unified, they sent out a statement to us about Hamilton here saying, we ask families to help us reduce the spread by discussing with their children hand washing and sanitizing, keeping them home if they're symptomatic. Now, if 1% of the student body here reaches active COVID-19 status, that would trigger new restrictions like enforcing social distancing. Right now, it's at 0.75% of the student body. Reporting live in Chandler tonight, Steve Nielsen, Fox 10 News.